Today we're off to Ilfracombe, and while we're there we're staying at Hele Valley Holiday Park.
In a quarter of a mile, make a sharp right turn onto North Devon Road, then take the first right. Make a sharp right turn. When possible, make a U-turn, then keep left. Take the first right.
There's a number of sort of glamping pods here. This area looks like it's tents only, but it could be either, I'm not quite sure. On the right here you've got this elevated section here, and behind that you've got a bit more, which I'll run you through in a minute. Occasionally you've got these nice stone sort of picnic areas, which are quite nice. There's several of those dotted around. This is the amenity block. I think this is the only amenity block for the camping and motorhome section. Ladies here, they've got a little washed up area here, and quite nice here. They've got a little freezer area where you can put your frozen stuff. Thought that was very nice as well. Unfortunately they're all code entry things. The shower units have an integral toilet and sink. It is quite frustrating, can't get in because you haven't got the code with you. We've got a disposal area here, rubbish disposal, and the chemical waste is down the side here. Nice sized pictures. So the site's a long thin site nestled in a valley. A little further down here there's a little play area for the kids, and I must say, despite this being a family site, it's been very quiet. I haven't heard anything at all. There's certainly no road noise or anything like that. Got a nice little zip line here which the kids will love. For the length of the pitch there are Wi-Fi points, and they're all numbered. So it was a Wi-Fi 4, Wi-Fi 2, Wi-Fi 9, and no password required, you simply log on. And that's pretty much the extent of the touring area and camping and glamping pods. The rest of it down here are mobile homes, static homes, whatever you want to call them. We're going to take a look at the higher block. So depending on where you are pitched, you could be quite a distance from the toilet block and the amenity block, which I suppose is okay, but if the weather's pretty miserable you might find it a bit frustrating. But the actual site is lovely, can't knock the site, it seems very peaceful. The entrance is slightly interesting. I'll try and recap that on the video. It's a very, very steep, very, very sharp right turn into the site, and but it wasn't a big deal. We just simply went down the road a bit, turned around and came in that way. And there's one fairly steep bend in once you're inside the sort of area to contend with. Again, I'll show you that on the video. with a nature trail starting this way. So this is the upper row. Nice wide bays. At the far end of the site there's a restaurant. It doesn't actually belong to the site itself, it's an independent site. They serve a cracking breakfast there. They do roast dinners on Sundays. Now if you want to book a table you'll have to get in there pretty quick, because when we got there it was fully booked for that day, so make sure you book nice and early. So we hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, maybe you could click the like button. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them below.